Thank you for staying tuned to Sadhana. In addition to personal health, Hindus consider that all living things are sacred because they are a part of God. The World Hindu Foundation has engaged in a national rollout program to encourage environmentally responsible practices, assisting with distribution of seedlings and demonstrating basic skills of planting. In continuation of our Go Green mini-series, Sadhana visited the Andhra Sabha of Lenasia to see this program at grassroots level. Recognizes that Mother Nature and the ecosystem holding the fabric of our planet together creates a climate ideal for human life. Keeping this in mind, the World Hindu Foundation South Africa is embarking on a Go Green project, and we're about to discover more. Tell me, what are we doing here?
Okay, we are actually preparing the ground before we can plant. Okay, this is a different technique that we use to get a better yield with our seedlings.
Okay, all right.
So what we do is we've taken a 2 meter by 2 meter, we've measured the space, and what we do is we fracture the ground. This is a different technique. We don't turn the soil over.
Okay.
Okay, we fracture the ground. So Lakshmi will just demonstrate how
Why is this so? Why is that so? Why
that is because there's living organisms in the ground, and we don't want to change the pH and interfere with what is happening in there to get a better yield, right?
Okay.
A teaspoon of the ash.
Okay.
Okay. And we put it through to halfway the furrow.
Okay.
And then we take another teaspoon. And we just finish the furrow, right?
Can I try that?
Yes, sure. Right. So it will go through halfway the furrow, right through. We don't want to put too much, yeah. Okay.
Just scattering it.
Yeah, watch your. Yeah, just scattering it. Watch your. With the rose tree. You're right, yeah. Okay. Right, and then
is that enough?
Yes, definitely. And then we use organic compost. Okay. And we complete
the other
that.
side?
Yes, we complete the whole row.
And this Go Green project is part of the World Hindu Foundation South Africa's endeavor.
Yes, we've started this project about 3 years ago.
Okay.
When COVID started, and we were supplying hampers to needy families, and then we realized that we need to sustain families, and that is how we started the Go Green project.
So when did your love for gardening come about?
Love for gardening since the time I was a teenager.
Okay.
My father used to have a farm, and he used to show us how to grow dhania.
Okay.
His passion was dhania.
That's a necessity in an Indian household.
And then after he stole us, then he gave us to plant dabla.
Okay.
And then we started planting dabla. Actually, dabla, my mother put the seed into the ground, and dabla started growing. And that's how we got a passion of dabla being growing a lot into our garden. The chart is whenever I'm always short of whatever I have to cook on a special day or something, I walk into the garden and I look at whatever there is, and it's there. I just take it, I go in and put it into the stove as a pot, and we share it.
This looks grown. What plant is this?
This is kale.
Oh, okay, all right.
Kale is one of the best that I have came across with 100% iron.
Okay.
It controls your blood system.